Hello students, welcome again to my class. Today we learn significant figures. তাৎপর্যপূর্ণ সংখ্যা, significant figures. But before going to significant figures, we have to learn regarding uncertainties in measurements. Okay? জোখমাখ আমি যেতিয়া লম সেই জোখমাখত কেনেকুৱাকৈ অনিশ্চয়তা জড়িত হৈ থাকে এই কথাটো আমি অলপমান শিকিব লাগিব। Let us consider an object. Suppose this one. This is an object. What we have to do? We have to measure the mass of the object. Now to measure mass, we need a balance. Suppose we take an ordinary balance and measure the mass of the object, and suppose the mass is found to be 7.6 gram. Okay, now the same object is weighed by an analytical balance. Okay, and in this case the mass is found to be say 7.6324 gram. What is seen? The mass obtained with the help of analytical balance is somewhat higher than the mass obtained by ordinary balance. So in this measurement 7.6 gram, we can say that 7 is certain, this digit 7 is certain, but this digit 6, this is not certain. The digit 6 is not certain because the mass of the object is somewhat higher than 7.6. Now this kind of uncertainty in measurement may be because of two factors. Factor number one, the lack of skill of the person taking the measurement. যিজন মানুহে জোখটো লৈছে তেওঁ হিমান নিপুণ নহয়, তাৰ কাৰণে আমি এটা অনিশ্চয়তা জোখত পাব পাৰোঁ। This is the first factor. Secondly, there is another factor which is also very important, and that factor is what? The limitation, inherent limitation of the measuring apparatus. যিকোনো এটা জোখ লোৱাৰ কাৰণে আমাক এটা যন্ত্ৰ লাগিব, হয়নে? সেই যন্ত্ৰটোৰ যদি কিবা ভিতৰুৱা লিমিটেশ্যন থাকে, সীমাবদ্ধতা থাকে, তেনেহ'লেও আমি কি পাব পাৰোঁ? এনেকুৱা অনিশ্চয়তা পাব পাৰোঁ। So two factors are important in getting measurements. এইটো কথা আমি আগতেও কৈছিলোঁ, accuracy and precision of measurement যেতিয়া কৈছিলোঁ তেতিয়া এই কথাটো তোমালোকক কোৱা হৈছিল। Skill of the experimenter, number two, sophisticacy of the measuring apparatus. So in this case, the ordinary balance can read only one digit after the decimal point, but analytical balance can read 4 digits. Okay, so analytical balance will give you more precise measurement. This is the inherent limitation of ordinary balance. Ordinary balance at ami yat koi aru mane phal jokh na pao. So there is uncertainty associated with this digit 6. Okay. Similarly, you consider a volume of liquid measured by a burette. Eta burettor সহায়ত আমি তরল এটার আয়তন জুখিম, and that measurement is suppose say 17.4 milliliter. Okay. Burette এটাৰ সহায়ত আমি 17.4 মিলিলিটাৰ আয়তন এটা জুখিলোঁ। ইয়াতে in this case these two digits 1 and 7 they are certain, but this digit 4, this is not certain. So in this case the digit 4 is not certain. Okay, because the minimum volume that a burette can measure is 0.1 milliliter. 0.1 milliliter. Suppose your volume was 17.45 ml, 17.45 milliliter. The burette cannot read, okay? The burette can read only 0.1 milliliter, it cannot read 0.05 milliliter. So in this case, there is an uncertainty associated with this digit 4. If it is not stated properly, the uncertainty associated with the last digit, which is not certain, is usually plus minus 1. So in this case, say in case of the measured volume 17.4 ml, the result may be 17.3 or 17.5. Okay? বুজি পাইছা? যদি আমি মেনশন কৰি নিদিওঁ যে লাষ্ট ডিজিটটোত কিমান আনসাৰ্টেইনিটি জড়িত হৈ আছে, তেনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি সদায় প্লাছ মাইনাছ 1ৰ আনসাৰ্টেইনিটি থকা বুলি ধৰি ল'ব লাগিব। তাৰমানে 17.4 ml প্ৰকৃততে তাৰ মানটো এনেকুৱা হ'ব পাৰে 17.3 বা 17.5। ওকে, জোখমাখত কেনেদৰে অনিশ্চয়তা আহিল আমি সবে বুজি পালো। Now we go to significant figures. You see, significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty plus 1 uncertain digit. What are significant figures? Significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty plus 1 uncertain digit. Say in 7.6 gram, this digit 7 is known with certainty, right? But there is uncertainty with respect to this digit 6. According to this definition, in 7.6 gram we have two significant figures, okay? Say 17.4 ml. In this result, 1, 7, these two digits are certain, but there is uncertainty with respect to 4. In this case, according to definition, we will have 1, 2, 3 significant figures. So what are significant figures? Significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty plus 1 uncertain digit. সংখ্যা এটাত যিকেইটা অংক আমি সুনিৰ্দিষ্টভাৱে জানো, সাৰ্টেইনলি জানো, সেইকেইটা প্লাস এটা অনিশ্চয়তা থকা অংকক আমি কি বুলি কম? Significant figure বুলি কম। Now there are certain rules on the basis of which we can determine the number of significant figures. Okay, we are now going to discuss those rules. Rules for determining number of significant figures. Okay, rule number 1. Rule number 1, all non-zero digits are always significant. যিমান বিলাক অশূন্য অংক আছে সকলো বিলাক সদায় তাৎপৰ্যপূৰ্ণ। Say 342, we have 3 non-zero digits, so there are 3 significant figures. In say 999, there are 3 significant figures. In this way, সংখ্যা এটাত যিমানটা অশূন্য অংক থাকে সেই আটাইবিলাক অশূন্য অংক সদায় significant হয়। Rule number 2, zeros which are placed between non-zero digits, they are significant. Say 101, there are 3 significant figures. 2005, there are 4 significant figures. In 101, this is a 0 which is placed between two non-zero digits. So this 0 will be significant. In 2005, two zeros are placed between two non-zero digits, 2 and 5. So these two zeros are significant. So number of significant figure becomes here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then point number 3. Zeros which are placed before the first non-zero digit in a number, they are usually non-significant. যিকোনো এটা সংখ্যাত যিকোনো এটা অশূন্য অংকৰ বাওঁহাতে যিবিলাক শূন্য থাকে সেইবিলাক সদায় সাধাৰণতে নন সিগনিফিকেন্ট হয়। সে ফৰ এক্সাম্পল 0.0037, in this number the first non-zero digit is 3, but these zeros are placed before 3, so these zeros are not significant. In this case we will have two significant figures. Similarly, say 0.000405. See, the first non-zero digit is 4. These zeros are placed before 4, so these zeros are not significant. But this is a 0 which is placed between two non-zero digits. This 0 will be significant. In this case, therefore, number of significant figures will be 3. Buji paisa? Now come to rule number 4. Zeros which are placed on the right hand side of a non-zero digit are non-significant. Say 50. This 0 is placed after 5. This 0 is not significant. So number of significant figure is 1. Similarly, 2500, number of significant figure will be 2. But if a decimal point is used, suppose 50 point, if a decimal point is used, this 0 becomes significant. In this case, number of significant figure will be 2. 50.0. See, this 0 is placed on the right hand side of decimal point. Okay. This 0 is placed after the non-zero digit 5, but this 0 is significant because there is a decimal point, 50 point. So in this case, number of significant figure will be 1, 2, 3. Significant figure will be 3. Say 2500, this one. If we do not use a decimal point, number of significant figure is 2. But if we put a decimal point like this, number of significant figure will be 4. Similarly, 2500.00. If this is the number of significant figures will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When come to rule number 5. In case of counting numbers, say 10 balls, 10টা বল আমি গন্তি কৰিলো, কৰি পেলাই এক জায়গাত থৈ দিলো. So 10 balls exactly means 10 balls. Okay, it is not 10.5 or 9.9. 10 is exactly 10. So we can write it like this: 10.000000. We can put so many zeros because it is exactly 10. Buji paisa? So in this case, in case of counting number of objects, we will have infinite number of significant figures. Infinite number of significant figures. এনেকুৱা ধৰণে আমি যেতিয়া গণনা কৰি পেলাই কিছুমান বস্তু কম, সাপোজ 12টা কণী, 10টা বল, 5টা চকলেট, বুজি পাইছা? তাত সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগার কিমান হ'ব? ইনফাইনাইট, অসীম সংখ্যক significant figure আমি পাম। Then come to scientific notation. Suppose agote moi koisu say 100, number of significant figure is how many? It is 1. When 1, but say 100 point, number of significant figure is 3. So such a number can be represented in scientific notation. If you represent this 100 in scientific notation, it will be 1 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. 100 point, this will be 1.00 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. If it is 100.0, the number of significant figures is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, the notation, scientific notation will be this one. Sorry. Okay. In this way, this type of say representation, capital N multiplied by 10 to the power small n, this is called scientific notation. In scientific notation, we have two parts. This part that is capital N. In this part, all the digits are always significant. Scientific notation আমি দুটা পার্ট পাওঁ, এটা পাওঁ কি ক্যাপিটাল N আৰু এটা 10 to the power small n. এফালে কোনো সিগনিফিকেন্ট ফিগাৰৰ কথা নাহে, কিন্তু এইখিনিত যিমানটা ডিজিট থাকে তাত আটাইকেইটা significant figure hobo. Say 6.022 multiplied by 10 to the power 23. This is the Avogadro's number. Number of significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 significant figures. Say mass of electron 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Here, number of significant figure will be how much? 2. So in this way, finding out the number of significant figure is not a difficult task. I think all of you have understood. Okay? Thank you.